And in the midst of all of this, there are also seers in the state of Karnataka who are coming out and, putting their weight behind Deputy Chief Minister of the state, D.K. Shivakumar. On the face of it and for the cameras, you saw that show between D.K. Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah, where they held hands and they said all is well, gave out that message of Hum Saath Saath Hai. But in the backdrop, there are supporters who are unwilling to let go of their pitch. Then there are also seers. This time it is the Rambapuri Jagadguru who has come out and has sent a message to the Congress High Command. He says that everybody knows the kind of efforts that was put in by D.K. Shivakumar to ensure that the Congress comes back to power in the state of Karnataka. Then he goes on to make an appeal to the High Command that you must honor the power sharing pact that you itself had formulated, that everybody knows about. So this is a message coming in from a top seer. Listen in.
ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ನಂತರ ಬಹಳ ಶ್ರಮಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ನಾಡಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಪಕ್ಷ ಜಯಭೇರಿ ಆದ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಲಿ ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಒಳ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಏನು ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ ಒಳ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರಿಗೆ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೊರತು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಏನು ಒಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಯಕರ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಂಥ ಒಡಂಬಡಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೌರವ ಇದೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವದ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು, ಶ್ರೀಗಳು, ಜನ ಬಯಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಬಯಸೋದು ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋರು, ಪಕ್ಷನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಅನೇಕ ಬಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ವಿರೋಧ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯವ್ರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿದು ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಚಪ್ರಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ವಿಚಾರನೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಪಕ್ಷ ಏನೇ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಜನ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಂಬಿ ಓಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಜನರ ಭಾವನೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
My colleague Imran is with us. Imran, let's break down two aspects of this story. One with regards to Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, and the other with regards to D.K. Shivakumar, the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka. So you have a proposal that says that Siddaramaiah should be the head of the AICC's OBC Council. The BJP says that this is nothing but a move to shift Siddaramaiah out of his CM post. That is the charge of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Then you have D.K. Shivakumar, who, when he comes in front of the cameras, when he speaks about what his supporters say, he says that I will abide by whatever my party wants and we will abide by the party line. But behind the scenes, there are supporters and seers who are constantly making the pitch for him. So this whole unity show that was scripted a few days ago, it seems like that was only optics, because the lobbying continues. Now with the seer coming out and saying that the High Command must honor the power sharing formula, what is the road ahead for the Congress in Karnataka?
Well, there is one thing which is very clear. There is still a race for power. CM posts is happening in Karnataka. Whether the D.K. Shivakumar says that he's been asked to no other option, but he also goes on to say that efforts have failed, but the prayers can yield results. And now with the C's coming in pitching says D.K. Shivakumar to be Chief Minister. Then over that, D.K. Shivakumar adds saying that he has been asked not to speak about this issue, but the High Command has asked him to remain quiet. But all this is nothing. It's except fact that there is a power struggle happening.
Yes.
There is a power struggle happening for the chief minister's post. It's a matter of question of when will the change of chief ministership happen, or if at all not happen.
Yes.
The whole issue is that the High Command is completely silent on it. When the AICC president, who is Kharge, was asked about this, himself being a party president, he was ridiculed by the opposition, saying that when he made the statement that High Command will decide. But there are two aspects to it. One is the aspect, the fact that he himself is a High Command and he saying that High Command will decide. But the other question is that he himself didn't give a very clear answer. He ended it open-ended question, saying that whether there will be change of CM or not, or
Right.
whether Siddaramaiah will continue. To all those questions, he said that High Command will decide. That means
Right.
there is no clear-cut answers to that as of right
Absolutely.
now from the High Command.
And also,
So
who is the High Command? If the Congress president himself says that the High Command will decide, then who is the High Command that's taking this call? I want you to stay with us because we need to recap what has been happening. Exactly a week ago, while addressing the claims of power tussle, it was the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister who put up a show of unity. You saw how they smiled for the cameras, they held each other's hand, one even patted the other's shoulder, then they lifted up their hand together and they told everyone over there that we are together. There's nothing wrong. And then you have a few days later, you have the loyalists of one camp going out and making Shivakumar. First, let's look at what happened when both the leaders came together and, portrayed before the media that Congress in Karnataka is a united house.
ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಬಂಡೆ ತರ ಭದ್ರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ?
Also, this also comes on the heels of several Congress leaders, including an MLA, who's Iqbal Hussain, who openly backed Shivakumar for the top spot. He made a bold claim earlier that DK Shivakumar will become the chief minister within 2 months. And that comment even now is adding speculation to the current scenario in the state of Karnataka.
ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ MLAಗಳು, ಸುಮಾರು 100ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು MLAಗಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಶಾಸಕರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಶ್ರಮ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಕ್ಷ ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವತ್ತು ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ KPCC ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಪಕ್ಷ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪಕ್ಷ ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬಲವಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರು ಯಾರು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧ್ವನಿಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
So what next in the state of Karnataka? As per sources, this issue with regards to, leadership change, buzz and any kind of change that could take place is set to be discussed in a meeting with Rahul Gandhi. And in this meeting, both Siddaramaiah and Shivakumar are expected to be present. Now let's remind you of what the Congress president said when he was asked about the rumors. He in fact went ahead and said, the High Command will decide.
Say that is in the hands of High Command. Say that is in the hands of High Command. Nobody can say here, nobody can say here what is going in the High Command. This is left to the High Command. High Command has got power to take further actions.
My colleague Imran continues to stay with us. Imran, take us through what's lined up next. What are these meetings that sources are talking about and what's expected to happen? Because one round of meeting did take place. It was on that day when Randeep Surjewala had come in, when the Congress leadership in Karnataka put up a united front. Then came these multiple claims by MLAs. Now a seer is rallying behind DK Shivakumar for the top job. So what next when it comes to the meetings and the talk about this whole leadership change buzz?
Well, this seems to be for now. There is, the High Command has managed to push the envelope for some time, but November, of course, it will again rake up because the fact that DK Shivakumar and his supporters have been making that there is a sort of understanding between command and him that there is after 2.5 years Siddaramaiah will relinquish his chief minister post and there will be change of chief minister. Now there is also crucial elections are coming up whether Congress would like to go for a rechange of chief minister and go for elections that would become a talking point for the government for the union government and also the opposition here.
Okay.
We'll have to wait and see because they'll probably ask him to wait till May when the elections are over.
Right.
That is what we're getting to know from within the party circles. They push the envelope till May, so
All
that
right.
after the elections are over in like crucial states like Tamil Nadu,
Okay.
Kerala, and others, they can think about it or mull over it.
And what
But
will happen
whether-
in the meantime with regards to the kind of buzz, the speculation? Will there be further fissures? Thank you so much, Imran, for joining us and getting us the latest.